Howdy. Welcome to Dizzy Thursday Live. I'm saucing up this chicken, about to pull it off. We're here in beautiful Manassas, Virginia at the Dizzy Pig headquarters on a special Halloween edition of Hooky with the Pig. We got live Hooky with the Pig here today. Kind of winding down. We started at 11. We're pretty excited here today because we're championship team. Woo! Yeah, we're right here in the heart of Washington, D.C., and I think everybody knows what happened last night. So what we got here is some boneless, skinless thighs with Dizzy Pig Crossroads seasoning, which is our traditional barbecue style seasoning. It smells far from traditional right here. So we'll be cutting these out. We've been cooking thighs all day. We did some tsunami spin thighs earlier. This is Crossroads with barbecue Bob's, having a barbecue sauce. We'll get these cut up for everybody. Feel pretty moist. A little bit hot, but yeah, look at that. So anyway, yeah, so we're at Hooky with the Pig. We do this last Thursday of almost every month. We won't be doing it in November, December. So this is our last Hooky with the Pig for the year. It's been fun all year long. That's the thighs. Mary Ann's got some other stuff going on over here. Out of Dr. Barbecue's, inspired by Mr. Ray Lampe, a friend of Mary Ann's and mine. This is from the inspired by Ray Lampe's Big Green Egg Cookbook, stuffing muffins. So Mary Ann, what you got going over here?
Yeah, so we've got sweet potatoes. Ray has a sweet potato recipe in his book, and this was kind of inspired by that. A little bit different. We used pineapple head, and we used hot southern honey as the glaze on it, so you can see that they browned up really nicely there on the bottom. And then over in the XL egg over there, we've got the stuffing muffins. And this is a recipe that's really similar to one that Ray has in his book, also inspired by Ray's stuffed muffins. And these are stuffing muffins. They've got sausage in them and chopped apples and onions, a little bit of duck fat spray on the top. And they come out, they're nice and brown on the bottom. If I took one out, you'd be able to see that they're brown. They hold together really well.
They're delicious. So what we got going on here, we're going to talk to a few of the guys that have been showing up to these things for a little while now anyway, but they love coming here on Thursdays and hanging out with us, talking food. So the Brandon's going to be walking around asking them a couple questions, hear what they got to say about Hooky with the Pig.
Alrighty, let's do this. First.
Hey,
we got Richard 1 and Richard 2 here.
Yeah, hi, Richard 1 here.
Hello, Richard 1. Where are you from, Richard?
Alexander, Virginia, Mount Vernon area.
All right, excellent. How long have you been coming to our Hooky with the Pigs?
I've been coming since, I guess, last January when my bud, the other Richard over here, said, hey, let's go, let's check this out. So,
why do you like coming back?
Can't beat the price of lunch, I'll tell you what. Chris is always a very great host. Mary Ann's got something unique every time. I just enjoyed it, getting out here, seeing some folks, talking with them, seeing how it's done, actually getting to observe how they do it, and then get into it afterwards.
Absolutely. So tell us, what's your favorite of our seasoning?
That was a hard question right there. I'm going to say Raging River just for its all-around versatility for what I'm doing.
All right. What's your favorite thing you cook with the Raging River?
Favorite thing? Well, I'll tell you what. How about some salmon on the grill?
All right.
There you go.
Can't go wrong with that. All right. Richard 2. Hello again.
And
I don't know if you were okay with being dubbed 2, but
yeah, I'm Richard 2.
Richard 2. And where are you from?
Same place.
Same place. All right.
And our sidekick over here is from the same place too. So we come up from Alexandria once a month.
Excellent. All right. And
enjoy ourselves up here at the free Hooky with the Pig.
It's always a fun time.
Yeah.
What is your favorite seasoning?
I have actually three favorite seasonings.
All right.
I love the Raging River. I use that a lot on chicken, a lot of chicken thighs. Pork chops, will do that tonight actually. Love the pineapple head with fresh pineapple in the summertime on the grill. You just really can't beat that. I also use the, and I'm blanking on it right now for steaks. Raisin cowlick. use that cowlick on ribeyes and briskets. So I really have 3 favorites. So yeah, that's
There's a good answer. I'm a
are-
sucker for pineapple head.
yeah.
myself, so.
Pineapple head's great.
There's some really good answers.
I've not met one that I don't like.
That's what we like to hear.
Yeah.
Did anybody have any questions for Chris at all, or?
All right, then here we are. We're finishing up here pretty shortly. We do want to tell you, if you got any comments, as always, throw them in down below, even if you're watching this and it's not live. Also, make sure to sign up for our YouTube page. Look up Dizzy Pig under YouTube. We got a YouTube page there. You can follow that, and all of our old feeds are on there, and we're going to keep that video list updated. And what else we got from here? Nothing much. We're all trying to get used to this being world champions. My whole life, we haven't ever been baseball world champions, so this is really exciting for us here. We don't know exactly how to handle ourselves, but I think we'll get through it, right?
Yeah, Nats.
Let's go,
Nats.
See you next Thursday on Dizzy Thursday Live. Happy cooking.